Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have a awesomely beautiful 2004 Chevrolet Silverado Crew Cab LS model. This one is a familiar truck. We did sell this previously. It was traded in by one of our great customers to that GMC Sierra Denali, that white one I know you guys saw not too long ago. So this one, been well kept, has a few upgrades since we sold it. All new braking system all the way around, so pads, rotors, and calipers. Upgraded to the nice black calipers. Also the Terra Grappler G2 tires from Nitto all the way around, brand new, $1,600. So a lot of good stuff going on with this truck right now. Has a nice chrome running boards, chrome front and rear bumpers, blacked out emblem, blacked out head and tail lights. So it all goes in with a nice theme and ties in nicely together throughout the whole truck. So it has a 5.3 Vortec V8 engine, very reliable, super clean motor, very good condition here, always maintained. Very nice GMC wheels, upgraded option for this truck. Previous owner put those on. 4-wheel disc brakes. Tinted windows throughout, power windows, locks, mirrors, driver's seat, Bose sound system. Comes with the dash mat cover to protect the dash. Original owner's manual. Also comes with a CD tape player, dual AC, ice cold AC as well too. Dual cup holders and plenty of center console armrest space. Nice clean headliner. Aftermarket floor mats. They're all weather, so protect the carpet. Then it has a fold down armrest with dual cup holders. Also has rear AC and audio controls. A nice clean idle. Comes with the trailer hitch. Also has a custom built box area back here for tools. Tailgate works properly. It's an ARE fiberglass top. So towing package and very nice clean top from ARE. Very nice. Truck drives excellent, smooth down the road, nice and straight. Brakes are excellent, of course, they're brand new. Comes with automatic down windows for driver and passenger. All 4 power windows, side view mirrors power, and locks are power, as well as the driver's seat. Coming in the driver's side, we have our headlight controls, dome light controls, interior illumination switch, as well as fog lights. And then on the stock we have our cruise control wipers, and for the steering wheel we have our push buttons for infotainment and volume for the stereo, as well as a leather wrapped steering wheel, and our tow button here. Comes with the compass temperature gauge as well as an auto dimming rear view mirror. No vanity mirror for the driver, but 2 sunshades there for each side.
The women's Final Four happening this weekend. Right.
Speakers sound excellent, and it, like I said, AC's ice cold. For the mileage, we have 231,000 original miles. Upgraded exhaust, so it gives a nice deep growl. Don't mind the check engine light and brake lights. We will be getting those fixed. It's just a vent valve for the check engine light, very common GM issue. And then brake lights are just the ABS module, so we're getting that repaired. So no worries on the lights, those will be done. Just wanted to get the video done for the selling purposes. We have nice upgraded aftermarket mirrors on each side, so they're the longer, wider ones to give you more space around this truck. So as you can see, this is a beautiful 2004 Chevy Silverado. It shows brilliantly, all cleaned up like this with brand new tires and new brakes all the way around. You can find this beautiful 2004 Chevy Silverado exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.